Today I'm going to be looking at the NIU KQi2 electric scooter. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and look over the scooter, and then later on you can expect a full review video. So if you would like to see that later, you can subscribe to my channel. This is the front of the box. The sides. Okay, so let's get started unboxing it. First we will take off these straps. I'm just gonna do this and then take them off like this. Okay, we have a warning here. Okay, let's take a look inside. Let's take up the stem. Okay, the stem clicked in place. Here we need to connect the cable. Okay, like that. And squeeze it inside. Okay. Okay, good. Let's secure front latch before taking that. That's nicely protected. Front as well. Okay, now let's lift it out. What else do we have here? Okay. We have an extra grip tape and the box with accessories. We'll look at that in a moment. Okay, and that's it for the box. move that back. Now nicely protected. That's nice, even the kickstand is nicely protected here. And here we have the NIU KQi2 Pro in the grey color. Let's look at the box that came with it. We should have a manual charger, some screws to secure the handlebars, tool and extension for the valve on the tires. Nicely packaged. Here we have a really big manual. Here is the charger brick. And the European plug for the charger. And then here here are the screws. For the handlebars, and here's the valve extension so you can more easily inflate the tires, and here's the little tool to secure the screws. Okay, so this is for the quick unboxing, and now we are gonna look at a couple more details. I will secure the handlebars and we will go from there. Okay, so let's continue. Let's put in the screws. And we have 6 screws, 2 here, 2 on this side, and then 2 on this side. And from the looks of it, NIU has provided 1 extra screw, I guess, if you lose one. There is some sort of a plastic on these 2 holes. So let's check if I forgot something. Oh yeah, I did forget something. There is plastic on this which I forgot to remove. I haven't noticed that. Okay, so remember to remove this protective plastic here. Okay. I'm filming with the camera in front of my eyes a bit, so that's why okay, that went in a lot nicer. Okay, so let's try again. Let's line up the holes. Okay, now we are going for it. Okay, let's not go all the way yet. Let's first put all the screws in. Okay, then. Okay, the last two screws. Bit of that plastic and I forgot to remove. Okay, now let's tighten all of them completely. The one on this side. Okay, so finish up the top here. And the last one. So the handlebars are secure. Okay, so now let's remove all the stickers. Everything is nicely protected during shipping. Front shield. Down here. We have the brake. This part was unstuck. Either it got loose when I was taking out of the box or maybe during shipping, but it has double-sided tape. On the back it's just a little gasket to prevent water ingress. You can just stick it in place. Here is the charge port. Let's move this out of the way. The protective cover, and this is the original grip tape it comes with, and you can replace it with the extra grip tape NIU includes with the scooter. When you first unbox the scooter, you can't turn it on because it's in transport mode. You need to connect the charger to be able to turn the scooter on, and then you install the app and go through all that setup. I will probably make a short video on that as well. Okay, let's look at the folding mechanism. You lift this up, bring it to the front, and then put it back, and then it folds down, clicks into place, and you can lift it up. And when you want to fold it out again, you click this button, fold it out, it clicks, and then you move the latch back into place. By the way, this is the EU version of the NIU KQi2 Pro, which differs only in one aspect, that the top speed is limited to 25 kilometers per hour. So that's it for the unboxing of the NIU KQi2 Pro. If you would like to see future content with this scooter, subscribe to the channel. And I would also like to say a big thank you to NIU for sending over the scooter for my review and long-term testing. I will also be making a review and probably some future content once I get more kilometers on the scooter. Thanks for watching.